Hi students, today we are starting with classification of bryophytes. Before that we have done thallophyte and after that we will do pteridophyte. As we know, in thallophyte their plant body is in the form of the thallus, that is in the form of the bag, and that bag is known as thallus. Bryophyte, they have the absence of true root, stem and leaf, and pteridophyte, they are true plants because they have presence of true root, stem and leaf. Bryophytes are divided into two parts, that is liverwort and mosses. Liverwort body is in the form of thallus again. Let us start liverwort. They grow in moist and shady habitat, मीन्स वो गीली जगह पर और छाया वाली जगह पर प्रेजेंट होते हैं. हैबिटेट मीन्स वेयर दे आर प्रेजेंट. दे ग्रो ऑन द बार्क्स ऑफ द ट्री, डैम्प सॉइल एंड मार्शी एरियाज. बार्क्स ऑफ द ट्री मीन्स outer brown color structure which is present on the stem, which is hard and brown color structure, that is known as the bark. So they are present over there, or sometimes they may be present in damp soil, गीली मिट्टी में present होते हैं, या फिर marshy areas, wet areas में. Body is in the form of thallus. Thallus is dorso-ventrally flattened. Now understand what is dorso-ventrally flattened. ये जो प्लांट बॉडी होती है डॉर्सल और वेंट्रल साइड से, यानी कि आगे और पीछे से टोटल फ्लैट होती है. अटैच टू सबस्ट्रेटम मीन्स इस तरीके के प्लांट बेस से जुड़े हुए होते हैं. लीव्स हैव टाइनी अपेंडेजेस. They are present in two rows which are joined to the soil. Asexual reproduction by fragmentation, and they forms gamma. Asexual reproduction, as we know, in asexual reproduction only one parent is taking part, and fragmentation means plant body is divided into small pieces. Each piece is known as fragment, and each fragment will convert into the form of new plant, and they form gamma. Gamma means cup-like structure where reproductive organs are present. Gamma are multicellular and small. Multicellular means they have the presence of more than one cell and they are small. Asexual bodies develop in cups, as I told you, they are known as gamma, and they are located on the thallus, means they are present on the thallus, or in other words gamma are present on the thallus. At the time of favorable condition, gamma detaches from the parent body and germinate to form a new individual. When conditions are favorable, favorable means these are the conditions when comfortable atmosphere for the plant, that time gamma is detached from the parent body and it converts into the form of new individual. At the time of sexual reproduction, as I told you, in sexual reproduction both the parents are taking part in the formation of offspring or baby. Now here male or female gamete develop on the same or different thallus. Sporophyte is differentiated into foot, seta and capsule. Sporophyte, this is the plant where spores are present inside the capsule, which last turn I taught you, and it is differentiated into foot, seta and capsule. These spores germinate to form free living gametophyte. Now these spores, they will germinate and they will convert into the form of the gametophyte. Gametophyte is that part where gametes are formed. As you can see, this is Mertensia plant. This is female thallus, this is male thallus. Female thallus, that is archegoniophore. Archegoniophore. Here, anthridiophore. As we know, anther means male, arche means ova, means female. Here, gamma cup, where female organs are present. Here, gamma cup, where male organs are present. They are rhizoids. Here also, rhizoids means they are roots. Today, whatever I have taught you, I am sending you its PDF. Thank you.